In this video, I'm going to show how to download Geometry Dash on PC. First, open Google and search for Geometry Dash download. It will show you several websites, but to download the official Geometry Dash, scroll down until you find Geometry Dash on Steam. You can also search for it directly on Steam through Google. Once you find it, open the Steam page and click on Install Steam in the header to start downloading it. After downloading, open Steam and create an account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can search for Geometry Dash in the store. Once you find it, scroll down and click on Add to Cart. Afterward, go to your cart and proceed with the payment option. After completing the payment, you can go to your library, where you'll find Geometry Dash. You can also search for it there and start playing. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.